Hello, I'm Hannah from CS department. I've come here to demonstrate about the fourth experiment, that is using the advanced CSS. And this is my mockup page. So I got to do a navigation bar, and I have three different sections. And I have a background which is being fixed, and this banner will be fixed here, and the background will be scrolling. And in my favorites, when I click the name of the item's picture should be displayed. And this three images should overlap each other. That is the 1, 2, 3. So the second one should overlap the first and the second one. So now let's see the program. So this is the HTML file. In this I have the similar thing. I have inside my tag I have all the metadata, and I have the link of my CSS file, and then I have my body. Inside the body I have so many classes. Inside the classes I have a class called banner class, and that I have all the navigation. So for the navigation then in my CSS, so this is the body. I want a background image, so like this will be my background image, and this universal thing is for all the for the web pages, and banner is this background image I'm giving only for my banner. So after my navigation bar I actually want a banner, right? So for that, so and I want it to be covered, so when I run it will be like this somewhat. So my navigation bar, so the navigation, this is my banner thing, so the background I bring for this. Okay, now um, for the navigation I have a RGB color, that is the white color, and I give a opacity along, and given a width, and the position is always fixed. And then inside the uh, and I have inside the navigation bar I have my anchor tag. Inside that I have the content. Those content are these like personal, academic activities and others. So in this I've given a color to that, and I've given bold and the font size, and the text will be center, and I've given something called hover, so that when I go and click the font, so I could show you that. So this is my navigation, this color we gave. So when I go click on that, the text is still shown, right? So we have used the over there. So my mouse is in pointer. When I go, my hand symbol comes. So this is the navigation bar, and after that I have my title one. Title one, I have a yes. So this title one is here. This is for my name. So this title one is separate, I'll tell you. So for this name portion, I have to give a title. For that, I have a code, so where I can give a different color. So I've given a green color, a border for that, and the text line will be center, and it will all the required background colors, position, top and right. And here comes for the navigation. Here comes for the image. That is image 1, image 2, and image 3. These three images are these three which are going to be overlapping. For that, um, for that, so I have image 1. I have position and given, and then I've given uh, top and left. So I've given a certain amount of space in the top and the left, and image 2 I've given z index. Z index is something new, so that the first one should come on top of the second one. So that is what we wanted. So then the third one is as usual, and then you have heading 1. Heading 1 is this one. So my next heading is my family members. So for this heading I'm going to give a color and a text color for that. So like these are the commands for it: background color, font size, and height. And then F1, this is for the special content. So inside the family members I have a class called F1 text, F2 text, and F3 text. So in my family I have 3 members, so father, mother and sister. So I have to put for them um, so it's for my father and mother. So this is for the over. The first one I have the picture put in of my dad. Then I've given a background size for it, the height and width of the oval shape that I want, and I've given a box shadow for it too, for the required color that is mentioned in my mockup page. And similarly, I've given the text for the F1 text and over. Like when I go on top of that, the image will be disappeared. And then I've given a dashed yellow green. This is for the text. I have a text in the box and I have a border for it, and then I have the text to be justified. Similarly, I'm going to do for F2 as my mother's content, F3 as my sister's content. The same thing, but only the top and left will be varying because this photo should not lap over the other. So we'll give a left a bit higher. So I have all the three. So after this, see the background is all fixed. So we're just scrolling the content. So the third section I have is my favorites. So similarly, for heading 2, I'm giving a background color and a text color and all the required attributes. Then next we are going to give a table. Table is this. So we want a table, right? So inside my table I have three favorite food, that is pizza and so on. So like whatever you want to give, you can give. So inside table I've given a width and I've given a border collapse so that it comes in a box kind of thing. So border collapse is this. So you can see a separate kind of box, right? So it's not together. So that is called as border collapse. And then I have something called PD and TX border. So I'm giving a separate border for it. And then now I want, so in my mockup page, I'm supposed to put the odd thing as one color, the other thing as another color. So I have given that the nth child will be sky blue and the nth child even will be pink. So see, so this is my table. So my normal displays, the even ones will be in sky blue and the odd ones will be in pink. And then I have a hover, that is when I go click next to the box with my pointer, so the color of the thing will be changed. So when I go click to the chocolate cake, I have a picture and this color of the old box is getting changed. So like that's the content of it. And then finally you have something called item image in T image, and this is for a separate class, so that so like when I go and get over to the image, when I go click on the box, I won't get anything. So that is what given is. I can show you that when I go click here, I won't get the image, but when I go and click here, I get the image. So this is the old website. So that's all about this CSS Advanced. Thank you for watching my video.